Hello children, we are in Unit 2 Structure of Atom and this is part 6 of this unit. We have seen that there are some limitations for the Bohr model of atom. So attempts were made to develop a more suitable and general model of atoms. So in this class we are going to study about two developments which helped significantly in the formulation of such a model. They were dual behavior of matter and uncertainty principle by Heisenberg. So these are the topics that we are dealing in this part. De Broglie is a French physicist. He is the French physicist de Broglie. So he is the French physicist de Broglie who proposed that matter also behave like electromagnetic radiation which exhibits both wave-like properties and particle-like properties. That is, as photon has momentum and wavelength, we have studied that photon has momentum and wavelength. Electron should also have wavelength and momentum. Hence, de Broglie gave the relation between wavelength lambda and momentum p of a particle, which is written as lambda is equal to h by mv. We know that mv is equal to momentum, which is represented as small letter p. And here m is the mass of the particle and v is the velocity of the particle. This prediction of de Broglie took long time to confirm. This relation was proved when it was found that an electron beam undergoes diffraction, which is a characteristic of wave. This phenomena of diffraction is used in the electron microscope, this electron microscope has a higher resolution, that is 15 million times resolution than microscope using normal light. This is the electron microscope. According to de Broglie, every object in motion has a wave character. The wavelengths associated with ordinary objects are so short that their wave properties cannot be detected, whereas the wavelengths associated with electrons or some other subatomic particles can be experimentally detected. Now we are moving on to the next development, which led to the development of quantum mechanics, quantum model of atom. He is Heisenberg. He in 1927 stated the uncertainty principle, and this uncertainty principle is a consequence of dual behavior of matter and radiation. Heisenberg stated that it is impossible to determine simultaneously the exact position and exact momentum or velocity of an electron. That is, it is not possible to determine the exact position and exact momentum of an electron simultaneously. He mathematically represents this one, that is delta x into delta px is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi. And also it can be rewritten as, we know that delta p is equal to delta px can be rewritten as delta nvx, and also from that we can rewrite the whole equation as delta x into delta vx is greater than or equal to h by 4 pi m. This is the mathematical representation of Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Now these are the significance of uncertainty principle. One among them is it ruled out. This is an important implication of the uncertainty principle. It is that it rules out the existence of definite paths or trajectories of electrons and other similar particles. Here the trajectory of an electron or object is determined by its location and velocity, and hence the force acting upon the body, we can predict the trajectory of that object. However, the uncertainty principle says that it is not possible to calculate the position and velocity simultaneously. So, we have to say that it is not possible to talk about the trajectory of an electron. This is the next significant, that is the effect of Heisenberg uncertainty principle is significant only for the motions of microscopic objects and is negligible for that of macroscopic objects. That is, if we calculate the uncertainty in the position and velocity of an object having mass about a milligram, which is equal to 10 raised to minus 6 kilogram, we will get the uncertainty is about 10 raised to minus 28 meter square per second. Whereas the uncertainty of an electron, if we calculate the uncertainty of an electron, it will be 10 raised to minus 4 meter square per second. From these calculations, we can say that the uncertainty of microscopic particle is very high compared to that of macroscopic objects. Hence, this uncertainty principle is very important for electrons. Therefore, there is a need of another term, and the term is known as probability. What is that term and all? Its explanation and all we will learn in the next part of this chapter. So in the last part, we are going to the details of the reasons behind the failure of Bohr model. Since Bohr model cannot explain the dual nature of the electron, but also it contradicts the Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, there was no point in extending Bohr model to the other atom. In fact, that was the step to the advent of quantum mechanics. This is all about in this part.